Grace and peace. Welcome to Hip Hop History, the channel that takes a deeper look at the origins and the elements of hip hop culture. Don't forget to check us out on all of our social media platforms. On Facebook at Urban Exegesis, on Instagram, TikTok, and our other YouTube channel, they can be found at Urban Exegesis Studios. Please consider joining and becoming a member of the Hip Hop History family. You can find the link to channel membership in the description. Channel members get exclusive video content and exclusive members-only live streams. Don't forget to hit the like, the share, and the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so you can get all the latest videos as they become available. Thank you for tuning in. Sit back, relax, and enjoy. It's crucial to recognize the vital contributions that Puerto Ricans made to the foundation and the evolution of hip-hop culture. From the earliest days of breaking, graffiti, and DJing, Puerto Ricans were right there, shaping the sound, the style, and the spirit of the movement. Telling that story isn't about division. It's about giving credit where it's due and acknowledging the full spectrum of voices that made hip-hop what it is today. Celebrating Puerto Rican contributions does not diminish the role of Black Americans. It's about understanding that hip-hop, like all cultural movements, was a collaborative effort, one enriched by diversity. Honoring Puerto Rican involvement is about highlighting unity, not exclusion. By embracing the stories of all who helped build this culture, we ensure hip-hop's history reflects the shared experiences and the struggles that brought it to life. Acknowledging Puerto Rican contributions is about inclusion, respect, and the full truth, not about dividing or overshadowing anyone's legacy. Peace, unity, and love.